Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So it is a new year, it is 2021. So we are kicking off the new year with a new build. However, this build does not belong to me. It's also not the car that I was referring to in a previous video. So THAARIQ just let me know that he recently just bought a car. However, he did mention that the car is a hawk. So for you guys that do not know what a hawk is another term for a car that is not in a very good condition, and that is exactly what the car is. So what I'm going to try to do is obviously show you guys the whole process of the car being in a bad condition, and the whole transformation, as well as we'll be adding some new mods to the car as well. So just to kick off this build, we are linking up with a mutual friend of ours, TANO, which he does mechanical work. So he's going to assist us with that part of the build, and then I think Tahama Auto is going to assist THAARIQ with obviously the body work. To my understanding, that THAARIQ is actually going to fetch a lip as well as a fin for the car. So when I do reveal the car, I'm going to show you guys some mods for the car as well. And then also later on, I think when it stops raining, myself and THAARIQ is going to link up on his side of the world. There is a few parts that we need to discuss. So we're basically going to have a meeting, and then I might just take my car, and then he might just take his car, and then we might just go for a shoot, and I'll maybe just tag you guys along with that, and then maybe show you guys some cool pictures. And you guys haven't seen THAARIQ's car yet. He's did a lot to the car, so there's a lot for me to actually reveal. So yeah, that is basically what we have planned for today. I hope you guys are excited for this new build, because I am. So yeah, I'm gonna link up with THAARIQ now, so let's go. Yo my dudes, so I just arrived to TANO, also known as HOLLOWWAY'S workshop. I'm actually sitting inside the car right now. It's kind of windy, that's why I actually want to start the video inside the car. I'm gonna start off on the inside of the car and then take you guys outside. So this is the interior. Has an airbag steering wheel. You guys notice the grey seats, so obviously you guys know that this is actually a 180. That is also Tahama Auto Work, or Tahama Auto. It's actually next to TANO. We have a cracked windscreen. I must say the interior is actually looking not too bad. Actually smells kind of new inside as well. I think there might just be a tear on the side of the seat. So yeah, this is the interior. I'm just going to climb out. Bear in mind, I did mention the car is a hawk, so don't be surprised. Okay guys, so this is the outside of the car. As you guys can see, there is some damage on the car as well. This is a 180i. This is the rear of the car. The side also looks a little bit rough. There's THAARIQ over there as well as TANO.
How's it, guys?
Okay, so like we did mention, that TANO is going to be assisting with the mechanical part of this video. He unfortunately does have load shedding, so there's no lights by him right now. This is the engine bay. As you guys can see, it looks kind of good. THAARIQ just cleaned up just to see if there's any leaks, and as you guys can see, it's pretty dry over here. So mechanical wise, the car is pretty good. One of the issues that we did pick up is that the wiper mechanism does not work. I think the brake booster is also giving some issues. Anything else, THAARIQ, that I'm missing?
Yeah, it's just the power steering rack, and then the power steering and then the rack itself.
Okay, so as you guys heard, the power steering is also giving an issue. That is something that TANO will also be doing on his side. And then this is basically the front of the car. Like I mentioned, the car is a bit of a hawk, but Tahama Auto Work will be giving it justice. THAARIQ also did mention that he is going to put a front lip on. What front lip?
That's a SIR lip.
SIR front lip, and then obviously we're going to go with a VTEC rear fin as well. So yeah guys, that is basically the car in a nutshell. Myself and Tano is going to basically be in contact, and he's going to let me know if there's something interesting that you might want to share with you guys. So I'm going to go back and forth with him and maybe with Tamo Auto Work and show you guys the whole process on the car. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a cinematic of everything that is wrong with the car, and then hopefully one day when everything is right, I'll show you guys a cinematic of everything of when the car is all done. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely a hawk. It's actually in a very bad condition. I actually wasn't expecting it to be in that bad of a condition. However, I am excited for the whole transformation. What I did pick up is that I think that the car is going to be influenced by THAARIQ's dad, and based off the conversation that we had, the car is going to go for a more OEM look. I remember he mentioned that he still wants to keep the side skirts black. I do know they're going for VTEC rear spoiler and then SRR front lip, and I think they are going for VTEC rims as well. So that is basically what the car is going to look like. But as you guys can see, the car needs a lot of work. What THAARIQ and his dad just went to go do now, I think, is get a door as well as a fender, so that it, how can I say, it's less work for TANO Auto Work, because he did mention he wants to use less body filler obviously on the car, and the less body filler on the car, the better. Also, a cool thing that I picked up was THAARIQ's dad did mention that he's a very impatient person and he wants the car done in 3 weeks. The cool thing about that is TANO Auto Works actually mentioned that he will finish it in 2 weeks actually. So that's actually crazy. If the car is done in 2 weeks, it will be awesome actually. I did make contact with TANO Auto Works as well as with Tano. I am going to go back and forth with them and show you guys the whole process. I don't live that far from them, so I'll try to get you guys an update maybe every week on the car as well. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about this whole build. what I am going to do right now is maybe just get a haircut. I have to link up with THAARIQ later. However, I'll just that video will be in a future video. So yeah, hope you guys are excited about this whole new build, because I certainly am. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this whole reveal. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo guys, so this is just a quick video. I don't know if you guys recall my friend Luke. I actually mentioned his channel before. It's called The Local Leather Guy. I'll just link his information in the description. I just assisted him with something that he had an issue with regarding, I think it was his DSTV or so. However, I just thought I'd make a quick video, seeing that he does have some upcoming mods for his S13. So for you guys that do follow people like TJ Hunt, Randy from Eliminate, etc., they do drive a lot of S13s. So if you guys are interested in S13 content, my friend Luke will be bringing out something very special soon. He didn't even mention it to me, so I would
It's top secret.
It's top secret. So I would recommend you guys going over to his channel, check it out. I'm just going to give you a walk around on the S13 as well as the Golf that he has over here. Just going to show you the guys the Golf quickly. So this is the Golf. To my understanding, it is an ABF, 2-liter ABF with a VTEC radiator. It looks actually like a V mount like on the RX-7s. Actually looks cool. He just mentioned, I think, that this radiator is a little bit too long, so that is why it also points up this way. He is also the brother of Phillips Autoworks, that assists Dent Expert, Akil Parker them, Asim Parker them. He works on their cars as well. And then this is his S13. There's his channel's name as well, guys. So that's his baby. He also mentioned that he's very tall, so he removed the rear seats. No one can actually really sit in. And unfortunately, guys, I can't really show what is happening under the bonnet over here. I do not know myself as well. So yeah, guys, move over to his channel. Yeah, something really special coming. I'll maybe do a video on it after he's done, and this video will most likely also only come out after he has announced what he has upcoming for the channel. So yeah, guys, from me and Luke, peace out.
Peace out.
Yo guys, so I just saw a R34. I'm just gonna chase him now. I'm gonna see if I'm able to actually get some footage for you guys. Kind of looks insane. I think it has a wide body on as well. So I'm just gonna chase him now and see if I can actually catch him.